Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. I recently traveled to Asia. I went to Malaysia, Taiwan, and Singapore and ended up buying a bunch of goodies back home. I split up the video into different categories: snacks, home good, random toys, jewelry, beauty, and fashion, so let's get started. I ended up buying so many snacks back home, and if you went to Singapore, the number one snack you need to bring home is salted egg chips. But I was able to find this salted egg ramen. I already gave it a taste test and created a short on it on what it looks like after cooking it. I linked it down below if you are interested in viewing, but highly recommend trying. It was really good. I also bought different type of ramens like mee goreng and laksa as well. I grew up eating these dry noodle snacks from Mommy, where you pour over seasoning into the dry noodles and eat it as is. There was also a lot of unique type of chips that you cannot find here in the States that I also wanted to try. Additionally, I bought some biscuits and crackers that I haven't tried before. This is a lava custard taro pastry from Taiwan that I was so excited to try, and it did not disappoint. You can heat it up in the oven and the inside will be a gooey melty egg custard. Unfortunately, I forgot to film the inside and I ate it all right when I came back. That's how good it was. Singapore is also known for their kaya, which is coconut jam. We bought a pandan kaya and kaya from our favorite breakfast spot called Ya Kun. Taiwan is known for their pineapple cake, so we had to buy that. And they also had the apple version, which I personally like more. Knowing I was going to Asia, I knew I wanted to buy tea back home. Singapore is known for TWG, which is on the pricier side, but my hotel gave us free tea bags every morning. So I was able to bring some back home without buying. In Malaysia, I bought a Samantha's oolong tea. And it came in this really cool tea leaf container, which is perfect because I can reuse this when I buy new tea leaves. And this is a ginger herbal concoction that I got in Taiwan. I was able to sample this before buying, and at that time, I had a slight sore throat from all the junk food I was eating, and this helped it instantly. The last few items in this snack haul are coffee and energy Himalayan salt candies. Asia had a lot of cute home supplies that I knew I want to buy back some home, especially since I just moved. I bought these paw print soft plates from Taiwan. Look how cute these are. We bought a matching set, a pink one and a blue one. These are chopstick holders. I bought a flower print one, a dumpling, which I thought would be funny, and these cats. I pour an espresso every morning, so this was a perfect cup to pour my espressos into a larger latte cup because it has a little spout right here. And at the bottom of the cup, it is shaped as a mountain. Since I was in Malaysia, I wanted a souvenir that reminded me of my family roots. This is a Malaysian Nyonya flower printed plate. I thought this would be perfect if I'm eating food where I also want to dip into a sauce, like dumplings on a bigger side and soy sauce on a smaller side. And I also bought matching cups. Look how gorgeous these are. I am not the type who collects Starbucks cups, but I knew I had to get this one from Taiwan Taipei 101. This print is so cute and I love cherry blossoms and pink is my favorite color. Because I knew I was buying tea during my trip here, I also wanted to buy a teacup to brew my tea leaves. I found this in Taiwan that is perfect if I want to bring it with me when I travel. It comes with a nice sophisticated case. And as you take this apart, it becomes a strainer filter, 2 teacups where you can pour your tea in, and it's all in one package. And similar to my espresso cup, this also has a mountain at the bottom. I found this super cute Lucky Cat doormat and it brings me so much joy. I've been eyeing a stone bath mat for the longest time, but it was so expensive. But I found this in Asia that I knew I had to get and bring it back home in my luggage. If you see here, if we drop a little bit water on top, it quickly evaporates. I was not anticipating on buying any jewelry during my trip to Asia. However, I stumbled around this store Kaleido while shopping in Singapore. It reminded me of Midori and Anna Louise because the jewelry is also plated with gold and is more on the affordable range. There were so many cute options, so here are some of the items that I picked. I am a sucker for Huggies, so this one has some gemstones on it. I also picked this, which I thought was a great statement piece. It's a little disfigured and I love it. At that time, they were doing a promotion. If you buy up to a certain amount, they were giving out free earrings of your birthday gemstone. So I got this dainty one for the month of February. This one really caught my eye because it looked like a golden teardrop. Aside from earrings, I also picked out a ring. I love how sparkly this one looks. Last but not least, I also picked out a bracelet. This one has some pearls on it and I love the paper clip chains. For the beauty category, here are some items that I bought. I also bought back a lot of random souvenirs, for example, like this Hello Kitty keychain, this bear brick that I got from a mystery box, and this Pokemon Butterfree mystery gachapon that I got in Taiwan, and this cute Totoro holder, which the ear broke off, unfortunately. Whenever I travel, I love to collect postcards. So during my time here in Asia, I collected one from each place I visit. I'm pretty sure you could tell what type of art aesthetic I was going for. I am planning on turning these postcards into a frame art piece. I also bought some sandals from a store called Bata. They are super comfortable and affordable. I picked this black heeled mules that could dress up, and this white sandals with a small wedge, which gives me a little height with the comfort. And of course, since I was in Singapore, I had to check out Chores and Keith. I bought this sandal and handbag, and if you're interested, I linked the unboxing video in the description below. That's all for the haul. Thank you so much for staying to the very end, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for the upcoming Asia content.